Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss Newgen software interview preparation, covering all rounds step by step from MCQs, coding, super hard problems, HR, and managerial round. Newgen is a product-based company working on BPM, workflow automation, ECM, low-code platforms, and AI-driven digital transformation. So their interview process focuses heavily on logic, process thinking, and enterprise mindsets. We will cover MCQs round, coding round, super hard coding problems, HR round, and managerial round. If you think in terms of processes and workflows, focus on business impact, write structured, readable code, stay calm and prudent during HR and managerial round, you will crack the interviews for Newgen software. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more product-based companies interview preparation. So let's start the process. We have covered all specialty-wise questions. So first one is, if you want the PDF, you can message me on the WhatsApp number given in the video. Okay, so let's start. First one is business process management. What is BPM primarily used for? Designing, executing, monitoring, and business processes. Which BPM component defines process flow, process model? BMN stands for Business Process Notation, which is not a BPM lifecycle stage. Debug. BPM improves which most directly. Operational efficiency. In BPM, SLA refers to Service Level Agreement. Which BPM element handles decisions? Gateway. BPM tools are mostly used by business analysts and developers. What is a process instance? A running execution of a process. Which KPI is common in BPM monitoring? Turnaround time. BPM helps reduce manual interventions. BPM engines execute processes based on BPMN definitions. Which industry heavily use BPM? All of the above. BPM promotes which approach? Process-driven development. Newgen BPM is best described as Unified Process Automation Platform and the coding snippets. If you want these codes or PDF, you can message the WhatsApp number given in the video. So next one is workflow automation. Workflow automation focuses on automating task sequences. A workflow stop, order task and rules, which triggers workflow execution, events or conditions. Workflow automation reduces errors, which is a workflow component. All of the above. Parallel workflows allow multiple tasks simultaneously. Workflow escalation happens when task misses SLA. Which domain heavily uses workflow automation? All of the above. Workflow rules are used to control task routing. Human in the loop means human approval at steps. Workflow engines store data in RAM only, process repository. A failed workflow can be all of the above. Workflow automation improves business agility. Workflow automation is a subset of BPM. Newgen workflow supports all of the above and the coding snippets. Next one is business process automation. BPA primarily focuses on automating end-to-end business processes. Next is BPA is an extension of BPM. Which technology is commonly used in BPA? Of the above. BPA aims to reduce manual interventions, which is a BPA benefit. Faster turnaround time. BPA workflows are usually dynamic and rule-driven. Which KPI is critical in BPA? Cycle time. BPA integrates with all of the above, which is not a part of BPA. Hardware monitoring. BPA supports which type of automation? All of the above. BPA improves operational efficiency. Rule engine in BPA are used for decision making. Which industry widely adopts BPA? All of the above. BPA ensures compliance by enforcing predefined policies. Newgen BPA platform supports all of the above and the coding snippets. Next one is case management. Case management is best suited for unstructured and knowledge-driven processes. A case represents collection of related activities and data. Case management supports ad hoc decisions. Case workers are knowledge workers handling cases. Case lifecycle includes all of the above. Which feature is core to case management? Flexibility. Case management system stores data, documents, and history. Case priority determines processing order. Case management is commonly used in all of the above, which is not a case management feature. Hard-coded flow. Case escalation occurs when SLA breaches. Case management allows all of the above. Case dashboard shows case status and KPI. Case management differs from BPM because it is more data-centric and adaptive. New-gen case management supports all of the above and the coding snippets. Next one is enterprise content management. ECM primarily deals with managing enterprise documents and content. ECM includes which content types, all of the above, which is a core ECM component, all of the above. Metadata in ECM is used to describe content properties. ECM improves compliances by enforcing mission policies. Which feature ensures document history, versioning. ECM supports which access control, all of the above. Content lifecycle includes all of the above, which is not an ECM benefit. Engaged redundancy. ECM systems integrate with all of the above. Document indexing helps in faster search. ECM supports all of the above. Which industry heavily uses ECM? All of the above. ECM reduces dependency on paper-based processes. New-gen ECM platform provides all of the and the coding snippets. Next one is document management. Document management focuses on digital document lifecycle. Key features of document management is all of the above. Document check-in, check-out helps to prevent conflicts. OCR is used for text extraction from images. Document classification is based on all of the above. Document management improves all of the above. Which format is commonly supported? All of the above. Indexing enables faster retrieval. Document management system supports all of the above. Document archiving means long-term storage. Search in DMS is based on metadata and content. Document workflow includes all of the above. DMS reduces paper usage. Document management differs from him because it is more focused on documents. New-gen document management supports all of the above and the coding snippet. Next one is low-code automation platform. Low-code platform primarily reduce development time. Low-code platforms are designed for business users and developers. Low-code development uses all of the above. Which feature is common in low-code platforms? User workflow designer. Low-code platform improves time to market. Low-code applications are typically configurable and reusable. Which is the benefit of low-code? Faster application delivery. Low-code platform supports integration using all of the above. Citizen developers are non-technical users building apps. Low-code platform reduce dependency on custom coding. Governance in low-code ensures security and compliance. Low-code platform supports all of the above. Scalability in low-code is handled by platform architecture. Low-code platforms are ideal for all of the above. New-gen's low-code platform enables all of the above and the coding snippets. Next one is digital transformation platform. Digital transformation focuses on using digital technologies to transform business. Digital transformation impacts all of the above. Which technology drives digital transformation? All of the above. Digital transformation aims to improve agility and efficiency. Digital platform enables end-to-end digitization. Customer centricity means designing around customer needs. Digital transformation platforms integrate all of the above. Which KPI measures digital success? All of the above. Digital transformation reduces paper-based processes. Legacy modernization is upgrading systems with digital tech. Data analytics helps digital transformation by providing insights. Digital transformation supports all of the above. Digital transformation is continuous process. Cloud plays a role by providing all of the above. New-gen's digital transformation platform offers all of the above and the code snippets. Next one is AI-enabled automation platform. AI-enabled automation combines AI plus BPM plus automation. AI in automation is mainly used for intelligent decision making. Which AI capability improves automation most? All of the above. AI helps workflows by all of the above. OCR in AI automation is used to extract text from images. NLP is useful for understanding human language. Machine learning model improves automation by learning from data patterns. AI-enabled automation reduces human dependency. Which task is best suited for AI automation? All of the above. AI-based routing improves process efficiency. AI models require all of the above. AI-enabled automation supports all of the above. AI improves customer experience by personalized responses. AI governance ensures all of the above. Newgen's AI platform enables all of the above, and the coding snippets. Next one is digitized workflows. Digitized workflows replace paper-based workflows. Digitized workflows focuses on speed and transparency. Digitized workflows are data-driven, which feature is core to digitized workflows. Real-time tracking. Digitization improves all of the above. Digitized workflows use all of the above. Workflow digitization reduces errors. Digitized workflows enable all of the above. Which industry benefits most from digitized workflows? All of the above. Digitized workflow supports all of the digitized forms replace paper forms. Workflow visibility helps in all of the above. Digitized workflows are easier to all of the above. Digitized workflows improve compliance by all of the above. Newgen digitized workflows provide all of the above. And the coding snippets. Next one is coding round. Problem 1 workflow approval engine BPM plus workflow. Problem statement is there, code is there. You can take PDF to cover these questions. SLA breach detector, workflow automation. Problem statement is there. Input output simple code, concept and work. Problem 3 case priority escalation, case management. Okay, next one is document version control, ECM DMS. Next one is low code rule engine simulation. This is not simple code. These are questions from Campus Drive which were in Newgen software. So you have to prepare this question to qualify for the round. AI based task routing, AI automation. Okay, digitized workflow audit log, data transformation efficiency calculator, and coding round, coding questions 1, which is hard coding, workflow approval SLA management system. You can go through these questions by taking the PDF from the WhatsApp number given in the video. Second is case management escalation system, case management data workflows. Third one is intelligent document processing system, ECM plus AI plus automation. Okay. Next is super hard intelligent workflow orchestration engine, problem statement data approval, and go on. Now we will cover HR plus managerial questions answers. Okay, HR round. Tell me about yourself. Why do you want to join Newgen software? What do you know about Newgen products? Why should we hire you? What are your strengths? What are your biggest weakness? How do you handle tight deadlines? How do you handle production issues or failures? Have you worked with workflows or process automation before? How do you deal with changing requirements? How do you ensure quality in your work? Are you comfortable working on large legacy systems? How do you handle teamwork and collaboration? Where do you see yourself in 3-5 years? Are you open to learning Newgen's internal platform and low-code tools? How do you handle pressure or failures? What motivates you at work? What do you have any questions for us? And managerial round. Explain a complex technical problem you solved. Okay. How do you design systems that are scalable and maintainable? How do you prioritize tasks when everything seems urgent? How do you handle conflicts in our team? How do you ensure SLA compliance in workflow systems? What is your approach to handling production incidents? How do you balance technical depth with new feature development? How do you mentor or support junior team members? How do you handle changing business requirements? How do you ensure quality in enterprise software? Have you worked with cross-functional teams? How do you handle pressure from stakeholders? What leadership qualities do you bring? How do you make technical decisions when information is incomplete? How do you handle failures as a leader? How do you see Newgen's platform evolving? What would your approach in your first 90 days at Newgen? How do you align engineering with work with business goals and so on? If you have these questions, PDF, you can message me on the WhatsApp number given in the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. We have covered all the specialties of Newgen software. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe, please.